Hey everyone, this is 404 Hacksmiths from TryWizard Hackathon. Welcome to a demo of general purpose assistive artificial intelligence. This awesome Windows app lets you control your system, automate apps, manage emails, and more, all through a sleek PyQt6 interface. Assuming you have downloaded and set it up, let's just jump right in and see it in action. So if you had run the frontend.py script from the GitHub repository, this kind of interface would show up. Now this is the chat box which opens up, and here you can type any kind of query, maybe conversational or task related. Here you can toggle the dark and light mode. You can see the transition is quite smooth and seamless. Let us start with a conversational type of query here. For example, hello, how are you? Now what the program will do is it will give that query directly to the AI, and the AI will converse with you. So hello, how are you? It would take some time because the AI is running locally here, and now you can see the text which is popped up right there. Such kind of queries too is working quite well on this program, like searching alone on Spotify. The prompt must be in the regex patterns mentioned in the readme.md file in the repository. Now, as you can see here, the song alone had been searched. Other type of search queries too could be present here or prompted. Now here it is mentioning that failed to focus on Spotify. Now it is not a problem. It is not a problem related to the program. It is not an issue at all. It is a part of algorithm which we use in this program. Like what happens actually is that first we had searched something on, let's say, Spotify. Then the program focuses on Spotify to see the functions are happening clearly or not. Now as you know that we had closed the window of Spotify, so the program has nothing to focus on right now, hence it showed there that it had failed to focus on Spotify. It is just an algorithm related thing, nothing to worry here. Now let's search something on Google. Today's weather. As you can see, today's weather is searched now. The system related queries is also performing quite well, like volume or brightness related queries. Let us first see for the volume one. Now I had increased the volume to 100%. We will set it to 30%, let's say. The format and see, as you can see now, the volume is set to 30%. The format and spellings of the commands for regex related or for function related queries must be same, like as mentioned in the readme file. Otherwise it will just consider it as a normal conversation command. And also it can like write content in notepad. any kind of content, like any kind of text content which could be written in Notepad, would be written in Notepad as per the constraints of AI model itself, the locally ran AI model. Now, in the backend, it is currently generating a story, a short story which is prompted here, and it will open the Notepad app. It will clear the content already present in the Notepad and start writing the generated content. Now see, it would just delete the already present content, and it had started writing its new content, which was originally generated by the AI itself. We are using Phi 3 model here, totally locally ran, downloaded from Ollama or Hugging Face. The content writing too is quite flawless. Now, as the content is written in Notepad, you can clear it. We can also write content like poems or codes in it. There literally are no constraints there. Here you can see three widgets: calendar, email, and task manager. These three must be connected with Outlook for its functionality. Right now, in my device it is not set up, so unfortunately I can't show you how it works, but I can show you what would be the expected result. So here, if you click on any date, it would it is supposed to fetch up the event which is scheduled for that date itself. And also the SMTP is kind of a fallback mechanism if Outlook doesn't work, and both of them must be configured as per your Windows. As you can see, it is mentioning selected date is 31st July. If it would have been connected with the Outlook app or Microsoft 365 Outlook, it would have like shown the events which is registered for that particular day. Here, email assistant would fetch up to five emails, recent emails, uh, which had came to the Outlook email, your email address. The email and task manager both works on the integration of Outlook. You can like create and manage tasks via the query box itself, like the regex pattern queries, which is already mentioned in the readme.md file. Using all those, we can manipulate the task manager, email assistant, and all. So thank you for watching. This was our project, and have a nice day.